Welcome back. In previous lesson, we have learned about the help command, ver, cls, which stands for create screen, dir, which is a short form for directory and is used to view or display contents of directories, and the exit command. In this lesson, I'm going to show you a command which you can use to change directories. Currently, we're in the local disk C, and the working directory is innocent include, which is a subdirectory to users. So we're going to change the drives, and later we're going to change the directories within a particular drive. To change the working drives, you will need the drive letter, then you put a colon. This is the command which you use to change the drives. So we need to know the letters that have been assigned to the drives in this laptop. So press Windows, press E, and it should be able to take you to this window. If not, click on this PC. As you can see here, we have local disk assigned C, new volume E, and new volume F. So we want to make any of these our new working directory. So to do that, because we are changing to the drive, you are going to type, let's change to drive E. We're just going to type E, then you put colon and press enter. As you can see, the path has changed and the current directory is the drive E. So drive letter colon is a command which you use to change the drives. Let me go back to drive C and create the screen. Now, we want to change the directories within the drive itself. The first, we're going to change to the root directory. And to change to the root directory, we simply type cd, then backslash. Cd stands for change directory. And if you are changing directory, the path changes. So in this case, we're going to order the path to the root directory itself. If I press enter, as you can see that the path has completely changed. And I've said if you want to change to any root directory, simply type cd, then you put backslash. Let's start changing to the next directory. And we want to change to users. You can see that users is a subdirectory to our current directory, which is this one. So to do that, we simply type cd space, then you specify the directory name. And this one should be a subdirectory to the current directory. In this case, I'm going to replace this name with users. So I've just typed the cd users. I press enter, you can see that our new working directory is users. What if I want to change to this directory? Because it's a subdirectory to users. This directory has multiple names and we have a space in between. So to do that, we simply put the whole word in quotation marks. So I'm going to do cd space, then I'm going to type innocent include like that. I press enter, you can see that we have made innocent include our new working directory. Okay, let's view the content of this. We have this directory, these directories. So we want to make desktop our working directory. It would be cd space desktop. And let's view the content. We can see that we have lessons. We're also going to type cd space, then lessons. Now we're inside lessons directory. But how many steps? Almost 3 steps. You can see that this is time consuming. So what should we do? We can avoid that. We can use the settle command which can take us from any directory to any next directory. So let's go back to the root directory. cd backslash. Now we want to change direct to desktop directory. To do that, we're going to use the command cd space, you put the directory name 1, then you put backslash, the next directory name, backslash. It continues like that. Using this command, you are going to change to any next directory. So we're going to say cd space users backslash, then I put this innocent Nguruwe, then backslash desktop. This command is going to make desktop our working directory. I press enter. You can see we're inside desktop directory. Okay, let's go further to directory lessons. cd lessons. Let me create the screen. Now, let's start changing the directories to previous directories. The first thing which we're going to do is to change to the parent directory or the working directory. To do that, you simply use a simple command cd ... If I type cd ... I'm going to change the working directory. Currently is lessons. After typing this command, it will be desktop. Let me execute it. As you can see, we have desktop, our new working directory. Okay, what if I just wanted to change from lessons to users? Is this command going to help? The answer is no. So let me get back to lessons. And changing that is like to change to any previous directory. To change to any previous directory, we simply use cd space backslash, then you specify the directory name. So it would be cd space backslash, then I put users, because we want to make users the directory. If I press enter, you can see that we have changed to users. So this is how you can change directories in command line user interface.